Now you get to where all the business happens, the console. Here in the console, everything was thought out the same way. Function, fishability, storage. Located on the top of the console, you have two self-draining ports, which can recess down and hold a lot of different gear. You can put your maps up there, your sunglasses, your cell phones, anything you need. And those have their own designated draining system so that you're not going to have to worry about water pooling up. Your standard mounted compass. Into a sharp looking, this happens to have a carbon fiber backing to our current electronics package. Our console was thought out with function in mind. Maximize your space with the most important equipment you can get on board an offshore fishing vessel. We have the larger Garmin GPS fish finder combo, the 7616 XSV, married to a smaller unit, the Garmin 7608. The 16-inch screen and the 8-inch screen offer both the same functions, only the ability to match one to the other or the ability to isolate one into one function is ideal. When we're running, we're going to have a map or a GPS unit on the larger screen, fish finder or depth sounder on the smaller screen. When we're in a fishing application, we're going to switch these over. Now we can watch our sonar while we're targeting game fish and worry about our navigation on the smaller, less important screen. In between these screens, we have featured Garmin's autopilot system. This is going to be the best way for you to maximize your fuel efficiency and be able to do a little extra work while making way to your current location. Rather than having a console-mounted large radio, which eats up a lot of space, we've opted to go with the smaller flush-mounted Garmin hand unit. And to increase the use of that radio, we've mounted a center modified speaker system to amplify any of the conversation or any other important messages coming over. Now we don't have to worry about giving up important space for things like your stereo system. The electronics interface has also been mounted on the matching carbon fiber for a sharp look. Of course, we've got the cup holders for the coffee and additional storage, especially on those windier days when you're making way at top speed for anything else you don't want to blow away in the wind. Keeping things ergonomic, they've also put in a tilt option on the steering wheel, which allows you to keep this in a position of comfort depending on which feature you're using the leaning post in. Traditionally an electronics box, and happy to accommodate you if that's where you'd like to store them, we've opted to have this box built into the T-top to allow for yet more storage.